Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to easily add subtitles to your videos on CapCut. So let's jump right into it. First, let's go ahead and start the application and then tap on New Project. From here, select the video that you want to add subtitles to and then tap on Add. Here, tap on Text. Tap on Auto Captions. A small menu will pop up in which you can choose the font. I will just use the basic one and then tap on Start. You can see here it is creating the auto captions or the subtitles. Once it's done, just play the video and you'll see that the subtitles are there and they are synced with the video. You can also pause the video and adjust the subtitles however you want. Once you're done, just tap here and the video will be exported and saved successfully. And that is it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Also subscribe to the channel for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.